The foldable phone market has been nothing short of a fiery pit with the surge in competition in recent years. But amidst this intense rivalry, all eyes remain on Samsung as they prepare to astonish us all with the highly anticipated Z Fold 5. Are you ready for it?
Can't wait.
Join us today as we uncover the ultimate foldable experience from Samsung's booklet-style phone. Design and display. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has always been renowned for its visually captivating aesthetics. Throughout its various iterations, Samsung has continuously worked on reducing the bezels surrounding the foldable display and refining the overall form factor while maintaining its distinctive appearance. Although we anticipate a similar approach this year, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to introduce the most significant design alteration the lineup has seen since its inception.
It's an advanced technology.
Galaxy Z Fold 5 will minimize the visibility of the display crease. Samsung's booklet-style smartphones have always exhibited a gap between their two halves when folded. However, the new design intends to create a teardrop-shaped display when closed, resulting in a more subtle curvature and reduced creasing.
I hope so too.
Ice Universe claims that while the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will bear few design changes compared to the Fold 4, it will have a lighter, slimmer, and slightly more compact profile. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature a 6.2-inch external display and a 7.6-inch inner display with a 120Hz refresh rate and OLED panels, in line with previous models. Hopefully, with optimizations from its performance chipset, which we'll discuss soon, the display will be more immersive and responsive than the previous model. Performance. Last year, Samsung equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which we would say delivered a commendable performance. Samsung always performs in the department, so we'll likely see a similar trend this year.
About time.
While the previous Z Fold featured a Snapdragon Plus version, there is currently no Plus variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that lines up with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 available, so the upcoming device will likely incorporate the Galaxy variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 used in the S23 series. Moreover, it is anticipated that Samsung will offer the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in 3 storage options: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, as well as a UFS 4.0 storage specification to ensure higher transfer rates. Regardless of the configuration Samsung opts to utilize, users can expect a highly responsive performance and possibly improved battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We'll discuss more on that soon. Software. Samsung Galaxy Fold series typically comes equipped with Samsung's proprietary software, often called One UI. The Galaxy Fold 4 utilized One UI 5.1, a clean and intuitive interface with optimized elements and layouts. It's not surprising, but we will likely witness new updates to One UI.
Upgrade.
Samsung has already commenced testing a new version of One UI, utilizing the Fold 4 and Flip 4 as benchmarks to refine the user experience. We will likely witness new updates to One UI. Some rumors claim that the new update will be specifically tailored for the inner display of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 this year. The exact details of the feature set remain undisclosed at this time, but going by the timeline, we anticipate a One UI 5.1.1 or possibly One UI 6.0 update. We'll have to wait and see, though. Make sure to subscribe to keep up with any future updates. Battery and charging. For foldable phones, battery life is as crucial as it gets, especially since it has 2 displays. In the Galaxy Z Fold case, it's pretty much standard. The Fold 4 could last over 8 hours, which is slightly short of the 10-hour mark most regular smartphones can manage. As such, we expect improvements of some sort from the Korean giant. While the exact extent is uncertain, we reckon that advancements and optimizations brought forth by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset will allow the Z Fold 5 to reach a 10-hour milestone, since it's unlikely that there's space for a larger battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 5. For charging speeds, the Fold 4 can deliver roughly 50% battery in half an hour, which is not bad. However, other Android competitors offer twice as fast charging.
I need a charger quick!
With Samsung being a top brand, it's only fitting that we expect an upgrade. That said, we're not holding out much hope for that. Camera. Now, I know we've seen some pretty massive updates this year, with Samsung featuring a 200 megapixels camera module on their flagship smartphone. But if you were expecting a similar trend, this might come as a bit of disappointment. Leaker Yogesh Brar says the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same camera specs as the Fold 4. This means we'll get a 50 megapixels primary camera, 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and 12 megapixels 3x zoom telephoto camera. It should be much better than the previous model because the phone will offer new image sensors, which we know very well can go a long way. For the hopeful wishers out there, we might see a 108 megapixels primary camera in addition to a 64 megapixels telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide shooter. While it may not be avant-garde like the module on the S23 Ultra, you can bet it will be an impressive one, so let's keep our fingers crossed. Price. Samsung's foldable smartphones are typically the priciest devices in Samsung's lineup. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 were priced at $1,799 when they launched. Compared to the current flagship S23 Ultra, that's an extra $600. However, the unique folding mechanism, dual screens, and premium features are well accounted for. As such, it is unlikely that Samsung will lower the price.
Very expensive, but very, very good.
Similarly, it would be unwise for the company to increase the price, especially considering the current state of the global economy. Pushing the price even higher would only make the flagship foldable device more unattainable for most consumers. Let us know in the comments section if you would still make a purchase in the event of a price hike. Samsung is clearly dedicated to improving every aspect of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and these enhancements will undeniably result in a device that is more convenient, powerful, and visually impressive. We are eagerly anticipating the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the revolutionary features it is expected to offer. For a detailed discussion of these anticipated features, be sure to watch our upcoming video. Thanks for tuning in.